Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Raylene Ragandak, 27 years old, single, and college level.
What are the reasons why would you like to work in Hong Kong?
I would like to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to help my family.
An employer gets angry to your mistakes and shouts to you, what will you do?
I will say sorry and promise to be careful next time and not to do it again.
If children are very naughty and always shout to you and hit you, what will you do to them?
Always be patient, never hurt them, and love them as my own children.
If you find some money or jewelry in your employer's clothes or in your room, what will you do?
I will return it to my employer immediately.
Can you give employer's phone number to your friends or relatives? Why?
No, I cannot give my employer's number because it's a private number and they don't have any permission.
If you don't understand the instructions from your employer, what will you do?
I will not hesitate to ask from my employer and repeat it again.
After hanging the clothes outside for drying, but now it's going to rain, what will you do?
I will put the clothes inside.
Will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, it's my pleasure to renew it.
What is your promise to your employer if they choose you to be their helper?
If you choose me to be your helper, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities and to finish my contract with you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong.